Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, I am super excited to show you this next product. This is actually a smoke alarm from Xsense. And I have to say that I love everything about this smoke alarm. I love that I'm actually able to control it with an app. How cool is that? And I can actually get notifications of when my alarm gets triggered, and I can actually turn it off with the app. How cool is that? Remember when you had to climb up a ladder to turn off your smoke alarm because it's all the way up in the ceiling? Well, you don't have to do that anymore, and the app is totally free. You don't have to pay for a monthly fee or yearly fee, not at all. You get free notifications from your app. So that is really, really cool. With the app, I'm able to also see the status of my battery. So that is another plus. So again, if you are looking for a smart smoke alarm that you can control with an app free of charge, and that you can actually link it to your Alexa, devices, well then I will definitely recommend this one from Xsense. But hey, that is just my point of view.